Using a smartphone while driving is dangerous. We've seen and heard the ad campaigns, public service announcements, social media, and accident reports. We know there are fatal accidents caused by distracted drivers on smartphones happening every day. But far too many of us still do it. Maybe we think we're just better at it than other people, right? But we're not. Smartphones take our hands off the wheel, take our eyes off the road, and take our minds a million miles away. And that's not a good place to go while driving. Wait, hands-free devices and voice-to-text features are safe to use, right? Think again. Science has proven that multitasking is a myth. How about just sending a quick text? How quick? 5 seconds? In 5 seconds, at 55 miles per hour, you've traveled the length of a football field without looking. In that time, you could have swerved out of your lane, veered off the road, or hit another vehicle. What about a stoplight? In a stopped vehicle, we could get rear-ended, sideswiped, hit by a bike, hit a pedestrian, or get startled by a horn. It's never safe to text and drive. If a text needs to be sent, find a safe location. Pull over, text. Nothing ever needs to be sent while driving. It's okay to drive a vehicle without doing anything else at the same time, but if you have trouble resisting the small shiny object, decide ahead of time you're not going to use your phone. Put your phone somewhere you can't touch or hear it, or turn your phone's volume to silent. If your phone has a Do Not Disturb feature, turn it on. Even better, use an app that prevents texting while driving. If you use your phone's GPS, consider a windshield mount and set your GPS destinations before you start driving. If you absolutely must use your cell phone, pull over and stop at a safe location. Let's all put our phones away and just drive.